Depression is the invisible parasite screwing its way through a hole in your soul with one goal: to murder you carefully, night after night. Chewing all day at the heart of your mind, it blinds all belief that you're able to cope, blunts all bright memories, blights reason and scope, binds you to the certainty of absolute hopelessness. And just when you're reaching the end of your rope, it laughs at your ropelessness. Depression is cancer of the soul. Like you're rotting inside and everyone's seeing that you're decomposing, an implosion of being. It's failure to thrive, failure even to start. There's no healing these feelings that are stealing all meaning. Life trod in dirt and wiped its feet on your heart. And you ask yourself, how come I'm still here, still alive? And how can the world carry on when I'm dying inside? And when will this end? Will it end if I die? The opposite of depression is not happiness. The opposite of depression is life. Depression is a slow knife, cutting deftly and subtly, surgically gutting your joy, vivisecting your dreams. That midnight dictator who screams in a whisper that your whole life is needless. That 3 a.m. bastard that niggles and wheedles till reality swirls and the storm in your head becomes the whole world. Depression's the hell where bad thoughts become facts, where you're chopping away with that self-loathing axe, lopping away all esteem and belief. That thief steals all choice. It's a creeping deceiver. It arrives in disguise and it lies with your voice. And before very long, you're a brainwashed believer, and its aim is the gradual loss of the self. And you can't look away, and you can't stop the noise, and you just cannot free yourself from yourself. Depression is a tyranny of shoulds. You should be happy. You should be okay. You should be well. You should be normal, like everyone else in creation. But hell, not you. You're special. You have to be different. Rock the boat. Fight the tide. Tie yourself to the tracks. See, your mind is a hostage to false information. And you know this is bullshit. You see through the cracks. But you're guilty as charged by your own condemnation. Yes. Depression is a nail-biting courtroom drama, and your jury, defendant and prosecutor. Oh yes, and the hanging judge, Justice Karma. By your own confession, you're mourning the past, despairing of the present, and fearful for the future. And there is no acquittal, no last-minute motion, because it's all your fault. So you sentence yourselves to be cast adrift in a barbed wire ocean, dressed only and always in a suit made of salt. Depression is your evil arch-enemy, you! No one can be crueler nor wield such dread power, such ceaseless self-bullying hour after hour, all day. It's a shock doc DJ who says, hey, let's persecute you till you've out-sorrowed sorrow, till you dread each tomorrow. Let's push you to the point where you're way beyond crying. Let's strand you at the crossroads where the agony of living begins to outshadow the stark fear of dying. Depression is the negative maggot of doubt that burrows unnoticed by the surface dwellers, those cheery fellas who say, cheer up, mate, and it won't last forever, and pull yourself together, this is just self-indulgence. You don't stand a chance. But if you've broken a leg, no one expects you to dance. And a broken limb doesn't kill all resistance to pain, doesn't send you to hell every sunset and sunrise, doesn't drive you to question your right to existence. Depression's the madwoman locked in the attic, the dirty little secret of the darkest basement. It's constant, mind-rotting, traumatic static, a shrine to suppression and self-abasement. It wrecks reflection, corrupts connection. Your immune system fails and it kills your erection. All faith deserts you, even oxygen hurts you. Doubts become shouts, pain becomes shame, life, strife, needing, bleeding. Depression's the vampire that never stops feeding. Depression, you've forced us to bleed and still trust you. You're an evil pretender and we need to crush you. You're a canker, a tumour, a sore weeping pustule, a shame-filled barricade we need to bust through. You're the shit-tinted glasses we've all had to look through, the culprit we're happy we're passing the buck to. If you were a partner or a lover, we'd chuck you. Depression, just piss off, it's not us, it's just you. And here comes a kiss off. Depression, just fuck you.